Today we are going to explain the co-signing for your loan or mortgage and its pros and cons. Are you considering co-signing for a mortgage? Do you know what that means and what it requires? Co-signing isn't necessarily negative, but there is certainly a lot of misrepresentation around the subject. Wanting to help someone you are close to be able to qualify for a mortgage is understandable, however, it is a decision which can have a serious impact on your future and should not be taken lightly. Here are some facts you should consider before you co-sign a mortgage application. Legal obligations. It does not matter if you are the principal borrower, co-borrower, or co-signor. If you are on the mortgage, you are still completely responsible for the debt of the mortgage and everything when comes along with it. Although you are a co-signor, you still have the same legal obligations as everyone else involved with the mortgage. Payments. If a situation arises where the person you are co-signing with is not able to make the payments, you will be making them on their behalf. This is due to the fact that when you sign the mortgage documents, you undertake full responsibility for the payments, regardless of if you're making them or not. Mortgage terms. You are not automatically removed from a mortgage application once the initial term is completed. In order to be removed, the other person on the mortgage will have to make a new application, in their own name and qualify based off of their own merit. Again, if they do not qualify, you will be kept on as a co-signor until the next term. Impact on future. When you agree to co-sign on a mortgage, as mentioned, all the debt of the mortgage is yours as well. Which means when you start looking for another property for yourself in the future, you must include the payments of this previous mortgage. They will be counted in your debt service ratios, even if you weren't making the payments, which could impact your borrowing power significantly. For all your questions about the mortgage application and co-signing, please contact us today. We'd love to help. Call for free consultation with Rajiv-MortgageCoffeeTalk, the trusted mortgage broker for Canadians. Call 64729171116.